What's up, great and beautiful people? Stop whatever you're doing right now and listen to me because I have a very good news for you. If you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel because I have good things loaded for you, information that are very, very much hidden. Today, we want to talk about very important information that you need, where people are hiding it. We talk about how you can cure some sicknesses and treat some and prevent some from happening just with one vegetable, which is very, very essential. Benefits of it cannot just be, overemphasized. It is what we call scent leaf. It is most known by those who live in the tropical areas. Scent leaf have particular odor or flavor that most people will quickly recognize it when it is shaken or when they come in contact with it. So that is what we want to talk about now. Scent leaves, as you have said, has sweet smelling odor. It also has, known for centuries, scent leaf exhibits some antibacterial efficiency against diseases such as Staphylococcus aureus. Also, those that are suffering from salmonella and those that are also suffering from Escherichia coli can also be used to treat all these disease conditions. Finally, it's also good for driving away houseflies, driving away mosquitoes, because it repels insects and it repels mosquito. So you can see that the function of it cannot just overly emphasized. In addition, for those who live in a tropical region or other areas where there is mosquito, that means this leaf can help you to drive away mosquito because it repels them and other flies. The leaf of scent plant or scent leaf as we call it have a pleasant scent as the name implies, and it is a therapeutic plant. We frequently come across them growing in this part of the world, in Africa, for instance, growing on roadside in India and the rest of the part of the world. You can see them growing on the roadside, growing in a place that they are not planted in the yards and in the garden because they have seeds that are ready to grow on any ground in anywhere. This plant can enhance digestion, that helps to absorption of food, laxative sweat also. It's also good for urinating, which is diuretic. If you have issues with it, it will assist you. It helps in pain reduction, that is analgesic issues, and blood circulation. It also detoxifies the system. This has been known for centuries by Chinese medical system. The whole herbs from the leaf, the stalk, the stem, the flowers, the seeds, and even the essential oils derived from it or can be used to remedy different type of ailments and sicknesses. Scent leaf, in addition to being delicious while using it as food or while preparing it, can also make it into a drink or make it into squeeze it and get the water and drink. It is beneficial for your health. Scent leaf has some general characteristics that you need to understand and know. If you use it or if you take it through a decoction of the leaves and the blossom, it is very efficient in combating high blood pressure, and where the plant is widely used in India, it is also widely used to combat high blood pressure. This natural healer has the ability to kill up to 99% of germs in the mouth. If someone has ulcer, it can also help to heal it. It heals them perfectly. As a result, infusion of these plants or decoctions of it are utilized to treat stomach, anything that has to do with stomach issues, especially stomatitis and angina. It also helps to fight a toothache. When you have toothache, it can also be applied. It helps you to remedy the situation and reduce the pain. It can be done in so different ways. Gum in our mouth also can be strengthened while this is being done, either through decoction, that is by boiling it and filtering it and drinking the water or applying it in the portion, or by infusion, that is blending it and filtering it, extracting the content. It all works as well. The fragrance of the leaf also help in relieving headache thanks to some of its components. It doesn't matter if you have migraines or high blood pressure or even cold, it works as well. In fact, St. Leaf infusion is used as an intrusive, that is medication, particularly for whooping cough and its other lung ailments. Can also be used to remedy all this. It is also utilized to cure tuberculosis or for tuberculosis treatment. At this juncture, if I have not really done so, please check the description of this video. We have some other things that can improve your health without lifting your fingers. That can help you to get to the your doorstep, and you can use it to treat other ailments or even live healthy. So check the description of this video at the end of this video. There are also in the same description well-researched ebooks that can also help you in your weight loss journey. It can also help you in general healthiness. You will not want to miss these things because it is free. Check out this book. You will thank me later. Now we want to further our discussion. We want to talk about some substances that are present in scent leaf. Scent leaf has also been shown to reduce bad cholesterol. Bad cholesterol has caused a lot of harm and even lead to some death or high blood pressure, but scent leaf can help to reduce these ones. It can help to fight kidney stones. With the use of scent leaf, you can fight kidney stone. The ingredients that make up scent leaf have a modest diuretic effect and can dissolve kidney stones that have already formed. Renal colic is treated with botanicals that have analgesic effects such as scent leaves. Scent leaf juice and infusion made from scent leaf have long been identified for their health advantages. It combats gastritis, colitis, and flatulence, can aid in the reduction of stress, can also help in strengthening of the nervous system and the optimal stimulation of the immune system. So you see, you have nothing to lose in using scent leaf. According to one study and some other studies conducted in recent years, the scent leaf can also slow growth of cancerous tumor and slow down HIV in humans. These incredible plants can also help you to recover from the effect of radiation that you may encounter either because of trying to treat one other ailments that need radiation or through exposure to it. It can even be used to treat or remedy smallpox or as use it as vaccine against smallpox if it is used on a regular basis. So for this one, you must use it on a very regular basis. The oil components derived from scent leaf is also very unique. Why do we say so? Because it contains camphor that is natural. It also contains eugenol. It also contains linalool. They are all present in them. They also contain methyl charcoal. They also contain ocimine and other compounds that are necessary for healthiness. If I have added value to you or to your understanding, please kindly reciprocate this by subscribing to this channel, liking the video, sharing it. That way, you will help the channel to grow and also help others who are very much in need of this information. Mineral and tannin compounds as well as glycoside can be found in the leaf and the stem of this particular plant. Phytoncides are also very much present and we cannot overlook it. Vitamins are also present in the leaf like vitamin C, vitamin PP, vitamin B2. They are all present in the leaf of scent leaf. Of course, we also have carotene and rutin. And scent leaf also contains proteins, vegetable lipids, and fiber. Application of this scent leaf have also been seen to be very effective because it has all these components, and of course utilizing it helps in general well-being. When it comes to usage, the fragrance of the leaf is good for cooking, makes the food to scent, it makes the food to taste wonderful, especially you add it to your snacks, you will love it. And scent leaf can also be used to prepare meat, so it is all rounder. Any type of lamb or beef can be used while slicing the scent leaf and adding to it. Cooking it will make it scent well and delicious, eating a healthy food. That's my video for today. Thank you for watching. Remember, this is just part 1 of it. In the next video, we'll talk more of part 2, how you can use it and what you can use all these things for. So if you have not done so, please turn on the notification button, click the like button, tell us what you like about this video, and if you do all these things, you will be among the first to be notified when I drop the second video that has to do with this particular topic. That is the part 2 of it. What is more, you'll be notified when other healthy videos are dropped. Thank you for watching and God bless.